All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's your, food challenge. And we have Spanner, we have Chichi buying, we have Joy buying. Then we have 5-5 for both of them as the ladies. Then we have...
Now wait, I made to introduce you finish now.
Then we have 8 for Spanner. This is not for this is Gary. It's more difficult. And very, very difficult. See, if you stand a chance to be the first person to finish your fufu, you stand a chance to win 10K cash. So, she has been telling me, I want to challenge Spanner.
Yes.
Awesome. You can't see my body. You can't see my body count. That's Spanner.
She even came with a high woman.
Okay, where's the body count, baby? What's the body count, baby? I'm buying body count here. What's the body count?
Is it in swallowing?
No, it's in the other way around. What's the body count? Half. It's 62. All right, guys, are you ready? Stand a chance to be the first to finish, and stand a chance to win 10K. So, are you ready?
Very ready.
Are you ready?
Very
Are you ready?
Let's go with our
Game
champion.
start.
Let's go.
Spanner.
Chiniba is going to win Spanner this one.
Open it fast.
Spanner.
Baby, get you.
Spanner.
Let's go.
Come
Come on, win.
Come
Come on, win.
No, that's why I don't win.
Yes, come on, win.
Spanner.
Oh my God.
Joy, come on, win. Yeah, this is
Let's go.
Which four? Spanner on 3.
She came with something you used to chop.
Spanner,
let's go. No, be. This is some people came. What kind of?
Oh my God. Spanner what?
Shoulder. Okay. Spanner. What kind of boy is this? What kind of boy is this?
Jesus, and it's many too.
I can have not 2 hands.
This man is not a human
Hey,
being.
Jesus Christ.
Left and right. What about you when I Joy? Okay, Joy, don't give up.
Left and right.
Spanner, you don't do now. So
Go for the road.
you want to say you never chop. Other people go chop now. Other people go chop. All right, ladies and gentlemen, who is your winner?
Spanner, as usual.
How did you feel?
Like Spanner, you won already.
You won. I can't take
They can't do left for challenge.
I don't know.
Joy, how did you see it?
He's the one that is win.
Yeah, he's a winner.
Spanner won already.
Your week go best for you, so you know.
Even throw away the wig for
Your
grab
week
still.
go best, so. I'm looking at left. First piece for now.
All right, guys, please. There's no how. I'm not sure ladies can actually challenge Spanner. Even if they give them 5, I think I've forgiven her 3-3. I'm giving her 3-3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Spanner. No doubt. So if you're a lady here on this video and you think you can challenge Spanner and you stay in Lagos, especially mainland, please DM us. We're going to pair you with Spanner so that you can challenge him.
Spanner, you win.
So come on.
And our children, you can go back to school.